Okay, please tell me now. You have to do for your country. Think about your country and tell me which one is sticky rice, which one is normal rice. Tell me.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Okay, Sam.
Same.
Sticky rice, normal rice.
Sticky rice.
Okay. Sam.
Great.
Yeah. Okay. Sticky rice is look whiter. Sticky rice is look whiter. Why is look whiter? It's different from normal rice. It's different type.
The more starch.
More starch, of course. 1 point. Team US. Okay. Yeah. The sticky rice is look whiter because of starch, and the starch is make sticky. Okay. The starch is make sticky. Normal rice, I'm sure you guys know how to cook. Just boil it. Put the rice on the pot and put your hand on the rice and pour the water above your hand and boil. That's it. But sticky rice is more starch. You have to soak in the water at least 4 hours. If you don't soak in the water, it's not cooked because of the starch. We have to take some starch out. But Thai people always emotional. We soak overnight. Overnight. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 boys today. When you cook Thai food, you think about your ladies. Okay? We cook with emotion. Okay? Don't ask me how many cups, how many spoons. We don't know. Okay? A little bit just means a little bit. You know? I think Chinese know, but Western people maybe you don't never understand. Little bit just means little bit. Don't ask me how much. Okay? Little bit. Just put little bit. Okay? She will show you how to do. Someone wants to ask me how many cups, how many spoons. It's difficult for Asian cooking. Okay? Yeah, this is why we soak overnight. It's easy, and then we have to drain it out. This one is been soaking, and yeah, cold water, yes, and the cold water like this. You see, and we have to drain it until it finish the water. And you see the starch water. Starch water, we don't throw it away. We don't throw it away. You know some skincare, Pitera. Heard about Pitera? It's like skincare. Like for Asian people, they use this one to washing their face to make your face brighter. Okay. And more important, we wash for our clothes, make the clothes like the color to stay. Okay. Because if you wash this one, like this one, wash often, the color is fade out. So wash with this one. With the fresh water, keep the color to stay. Okay. And when you back home, if you have no bamboo basket like this, you can use your steamer. Cook Thai food in your kitchen, not only in my kitchen. Okay. If you have no bamboo basket, use your double boiling steamer. But the most important, you have to put the sticky rice in the cheesecloth. This is the most important. Cheesecloth, because sticky rice after cook is pretty sticky. It's easy for you to remove. If you don't put in the cloth, it's sticky. So we put like this and water, the basket above the water. But this one is set in Thailand about 350 baht, right? If you want to buy back home, if you don't try like at immigration, okay, you can buy 350, okay. But I'm sure in Amazon or in social media it's much more expensive. Your country 10 times up, 350. And cover, turn on the gas. Leave it about 40 minutes. And when it's cooked, so we show you the real thing. Sticky rice just means sticky from starch. We don't put any sugar inside. Okay, and then we will taste when it's cooked. Okay, this is how to cook sticky rice. ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay, and then now back